Hey, welcome to Kaspa Daily Pulse. Here's what the Kaspa community's been buzzing about today. First up, the biggest technical argument in chat was all about DAGKnight, but not Kaspa's own launch. People were going back and forth over Hoosat saying it had implemented DAGKnight before Kaspa. The pushback was strong. Several community members said what's live there is only running at 5 blocks per second and shouldn't be treated as Kaspa's actual DAGKnight rollout. The main counterpoint was pretty sharp, too. DAGKnight isn't just a badge you slap on a chain overnight. It's a system that's meant to scale with network speed. So the mood here was pretty clear. A lot of people think calling that launch DAGKnight is, at best, premature. Second, Toccata and covenants are still the most energizing builder topic in the room. There was a lot of discussion around what covenant-style functionality could unlock. Trustless tip bots, Stripe-like payment flows, clawback logic for fraud handling, hash time-locked contracts, and atomic swaps. One dev said they'd already demonstrated atomic swaps with the SDK, and others were praising the latest Python SDK release as wonderful. That's a big tell. The conversation is moving away from abstract hype and toward actual things people want to build.
Third, there's also a practical side to that excitement. Some users are already bumping into the rough edges. KWallet got called out as broken, and the likely issue seems tied to fee calculation changes around newer node setups. The advice being shared was to update the fee calculation method, possibly alongside a V2 Toccata node upgrade. So yes, there's real momentum on the dev side, but the community also knows the user experience still needs cleanup before this feels smooth for everyone. And finally, the market mood was rough today. A lot of the chat was dark humor about poverty, lower market cap, and price pain, but beneath the memes there was a serious takeaway. Some people see Toccata and DAGKnight as Kaspa's two biggest remaining chances to prove real ecosystem growth, more users, and more daily transactions. Short-term sentiment still feels bruised, and plenty of people sound exhausted. But even with that frustration, the roadmap is still the thing everyone keeps circling back to. So that's the pulse today. Skepticism around outside DAGKnight claims, real excitement around covenant-powered tools, some early wallet and fee friction, and a community that's battered on price but still watching the next upgrades like they really matter. That's it for today's Pulse. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Catch you then.